Hi, my name's Lexi and I'm going to be your trainer today. I'm going to be taking you through a short 10-minute aerobic workout that's going to help target certain muscle imbalances such as your knee and hip areas. So I do not have a physical chair that I can put out in front of me, but I'm going to be using this futon as my chair for some of it. And then for the ones that will be standing and needing a chair, I'm going to be using this fan as my support. So let's get started. The very first thing we're going to be doing is a seated knee extension. So we're going to be sitting down with our feet shoulder width apart, and we're going to bring one knee up and flex that quad and bring it back down to the floor. And we're going to do 10 of those, starting now. Good, keep it up. Make sure you breathe. All right, we're halfway done. 7, 8, 9, last one right here, and 10. All right, we're going to switch to this other leg. That's 1. Make sure you're breathing, keeping that quad tight at the top. Good, we're halfway there. Now, if you want to make this a little bit harder, you can do it standing up and using your chair as a support. Let's do one more. Awesome. Now we're going to have a 30-second rest before we transition into our next exercise, which is going to be standing heel raises. Now I'm going to use this fan as my chair, and as a demonstration, standing heel raises, we're just going to use our chair as support. If you want to make it harder, you don't have to use the chair, but we're going to come up on our toes, and we're going to hold our heels in the air for 3 seconds, and then we're going to come back down. We have about 5 more seconds of rest, and then we're going to go ahead and start. All right, let's pick those heels up and back down. That's 1. Good. Keep breathing. Good job, guys. Halfway there. Got 2 more. Last one. Awesome. Now this very next one, we're going to get another 30-second rest. Sorry, my stopwatch is messing up. There we go. And we are going to be doing a standing hip abduction. So we're also going to be needing our chair for this, and we're going to use it as a support. If you want to make it harder, you don't have to use the chair support, but I'm going to do this for the purpose of this video. So it's going to be a standing hip abduction. So we're going to be keeping our core tight, and we're going to be bringing this hip out and back down. You're going to feel that flex right in the side of your glute and a little bit here. All right, let's go ahead and start the exercise. We're going to do 10 of these. Good. Keep it up, guys. Good, we're halfway done. Last one. All right, we're going to switch to the other side. All right, let's go ahead and do this the same way. We're going to bring this left leg out and feel that contraction in the glute. That's 3. Good job, guys. Keep it up. Halfway there. Two more. And last one right here. Awesome. Now we're going to get another 30-second rest. And we will be doing standing hip extension. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that for you while you're resting. We're going to be standing using our chair as support again. If you didn't want to use your chair and make it a little bit more intense, you can do it just with your body weight without support. But we're going to be using our chair support and pushing our leg backwards and squeezing right at the very top of our glute. And that's going to be our hip extension. So in about a couple more seconds, we're going to go ahead and start that now. So we're going to bring our foot back, keeping our core tight, making sure we're breathing. Good job, guys. Seven, we got a couple more. Push through. Last one right here. Awesome. Now we're going to transition to this other side. And we're going to do this standing hip extension with our left leg. Keep that core tight. Remember to breathe. Make sure you're in a comfortable position. And back for halfway there. Keep it up, you got it. Last two. Awesome. All right, 30-second rest. And we will begin our lateral high steps. So I'm going to demonstrate that. You're not going to need your chair for this unless you're wanting to make it a little bit less intense. You can do it sitting down and use your chair and bring your hips in and out this way. But I'm going to be doing standing and doing my high steps, bringing my hip up and out and walking to the side like so. And then once we get to this side, we'll be coming back with our left leg. And if you want to pick up the speed, you're more than welcome to. So let's go ahead and start with our lateral high steps. All right, and back the other way. All right, we're going to go down and back one more time. Make sure we're getting 10 on each leg. And last one. Awesome job. Now we're going to have a 30-second rest, and we're going to begin with our very last exercise, and then we will be finished. So catch your breath, get comfortable. We're going to go into a figure 8 or a karaoke where we're going to be stepping behind us and then back to this neutral position and then in front of us and back, and you can pick up that speed, and then on the way back you'll be using your opposite leg to go in front and behind. All right, so we are at 30 seconds, so let's go ahead and start that. All right, let's go ahead and go. Keep that core tight. Make sure you're breathing. You guys are doing awesome. Let's go one more time. Awesome. So that completes our 10-minute aerobic program design that is supposed to help your knees and your hips.